Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, My MS Guru. This is yours RK sir. Today we are going to talk about rationalizing factor of second order sets and third order complex sets. Second order and third order complex sets. Is it? Complex sets means compound sets. Okay. Compound sets in the sense the combination of a rational and irrational number or two irrational numbers like this. For example, root 3 plus root 2, yes, 2 plus root 3 or 5 minus root 7, like this. Combination of sets or cube root of 2 minus cube root of 1 or cube root of 5 minus cube root of 2, like these sets. How to rationalize these sets? What is the RF of? If these type of sets are in the denominator of the given set, then how to rationalize it? What is the procedure? Okay. For example, if the set is like this, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Denominator, it has a compound set. The order of the compound set is 2. Is it? Then how to rationalize? What is the RF of root 3 plus root 2? So in this case, we use one formula. This type of second order sets, RF of the second order sets, it is possible by using one formula, that is a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. See, second order, how to remove the square root of this 3? By squaring on both sides, by squaring it, yes. So that for you to rationalize the denominator of this question, this problem, here order is 2. So that I am using this formula, a square minus b square. If order is 3, how? We will see first. First we see this one. So root 3 plus root 2. Here is a plus sign. So if a is root 3, b is root 2, then how to find a minus b is the RF of a plus b, na? For suppose, if my question is like this, root a plus root b, then what is RF of root a plus root b? Obviously, so what I should multiply root a plus root b by? That is my question, yes. So that we multiply this one by root a minus root b. According to this formula, we get root a whole square minus square root of b whole square. Square root and square gets cancelled. So remaining is a minus b, which is a rational number. So that what is the RF of root a plus root b? Root a minus root b. See here, the product of these two sets is a rational number. So each factor is called RF of each other. RF to each other. Similarly, here what is the RF of root 3 plus root 2? Just only change in sign, root 3 minus root 2. So now we must multiply the denominator by root 3 minus root 2, since RF of root 3 plus root 2 is root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2. Is it clear? Now multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. So 1 by root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 whole by root 3 minus root 2. Yes. Now numerator into this numerator, root 3 minus root 2. And the denominator is root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. So clearly we can write that numerator is as it is. And denominator is a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square. So square root gets cancelled. So remaining is root 3 minus root 2 whole by 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So in the denominator no need to write 1. See, like this you have to rationalize the denominator. If the order is 2, which formula you have to apply? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. By using this formula, we can find the RF of the given second order compound surd. That also you must listen here. Here it is a binomial surd. If more than two surds are there, we can't use this formula directly. Again, we have to rearrange the surds and we have to consider. Okay, that type of solution we discuss in the next session. Is it clear present? Okay. See my dear children, now cubic surds, cubic binomial surds. See, for example, if the denominator is in the form of cube root of a minus cube root of b, then how to rationalize this type of denominators? Here order is 3 na, so that we have to use the formula a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube form. So what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? As a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, the formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Is it clear? Now here cube root of a considered as a and cube root of b considered as b, then considering first formula and replacing a by cube root of a and b by cube root of b, then it becomes c. A is equal to cube root of a, b is equals to cube root of b, then a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube minus b cube is the formula. Now I am replacing a by cube root of a minus b by cube root of b into a square. So cube root of a whole square plus ab cube root of a into cube root of b plus b square cube root of b whole square. That is equals to a cube root of a whole cube minus b cube root of b whole cube. See now. See here cube root and cube gets cancelled. So then it becomes a minus b. Is it a rational number or not? Yes. Since a comma b are rational numbers, a minus b also a rational number. So by this, what is the RF of cube root of minus cube root of b? This is the RF. Cube root of a square plus cube root of ab plus cube root of b square is the RF of cube root of a minus cube root of b. Because the product of these two surds is a rational number. So that these two factors are RF rationalizing factor to each other. Yes. If I write in simplest form the second factor, then it becomes cube root of a square plus cube root of ab plus cube root of b square is the RF of cube root of a minus cube root of b. Since the product of these two is a rational number, so that we call these two factors are RF to each other. Is it clear, my dear students? So this is about rationalizing factor of the surds. In next class we will discuss problems on rationalizing factor. My dear children, you like my videos and share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and you are welcome to give your valuable suggestions. In description I am giving my mobile number. Thank you everyone.